Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this GMC Yukon key fob battery used for different years, different models, 2021 and more. The battery you will need is CR2450 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, let's start. Pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key or the mechanical key by pressing this button right here. Then we take it out. Now, as you can see, right here, okay, here, what I do, I take the key, I put it in, I turn clockwise and up. Okay, let me show you again, very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Okay, so this is where the key came off, right here. Okay, insert it in, turn clockwise and up, and the cover comes off. Very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Now, as I said, the battery 2450, we'll take a small flathead underneath, take it out. This is a good battery, so I'll use it again. You slide it in this side first, and then you press. Once again, flathead, take it out, slide it in, and press. Now we have to put the cover back, emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.